Hi, my name is Kristina. I am a public servant with the federal government, and I work from home. So often at home and with my 2 dogs and my son. My electricity bill has changed dramatically since I've had the panels installed. I can say that for the last 2 months, I've had 0 electricity costs. So, which is the reason why I got the solar panels installed. I'm really satisfied with the performance of the panels. Obviously, with the last, I've had 2 months of electricity bills being at 0. So that is the reason why we had the panels installed. So I'm really satisfied. The advice I would give them is call Solar and get some information from the company. Yeah, it's the best thing that I could have done for our home. I would definitely recommend solar panels to others. The reason is simply because it reduces your electricity bills, and therefore you can budget better, I guess. The reason why I switched to solar panels is obviously the high cost energy in the province. It keeps creeping up as the years go on. So I wanted to find a way to reduce expenses, and so I decided to go with solar. The installation process was really smooth. The process was, once one step was completed, the next one started shortly thereafter. The guidance with the advisor at Solar was really nice. Like they were really helpful. So everything went according to plan. There was no challenges. Any little hiccups that happened, they were rectified very quickly. There was no major hiccups. No, I haven't faced any issues with the system at all, so all is good for now. I did take advantage of the rebates and the loan through the Government of Canada. I was able to apply for the grants from the Government of Canada and the province. So that helped significantly. I have to say that the process for that was a bit complicated, but with the guidance from Solar, it went pretty well. So they were able to guide me into the process and make sure that steps were followed. So it was good. So far, I've had no maintenance issues with the system. Things are going well and running as it should be. In the long run, the system will all pay itself in the savings that I will make from the electricity costs. The support I've received from Solar was really, really good. So I would recommend them to anyone who wants to get solar panels installed.